In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an event to private in Google Calendar. Keeping certain events private is really important, especially if you share your calendar with coworkers, classmates, or family members. Maybe you're blocking out time for a personal appointment, planning a surprise, or just reserving time you don't want others to see details for. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to change an event's visibility so only you can see what it's about. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. It helps to switch to the week or day view so you can clearly see individual events. Once your calendar is open, find the event that you want to make private. This can be an existing event you've already created. Click on that event once to open its small preview window. In the preview window, you'll see some basic information like the event title, date, time, and maybe the list of guests. To make changes to this event, look for the edit option, usually shown as a pencil icon. Go ahead and click that pencil icon. This will open the full event details page where you can adjust everything about the event. On the event details page, look for the section related to visibility. Depending on your setup, it might show something like default visibility, public, or private. It's often located near the middle of the event form, close to options like notifications, calendar selection, or busy/free status. Click on the current visibility option, such as default visibility. This will open a small drop-down menu with different visibility choices. In the drop-down, choose the option labeled private. When an event is set to private, people who can see your calendar will usually only see that the time is blocked off, but they won't see the event title, description, or other sensitive details. This is especially useful on shared work calendars, where others just need to know you're unavailable, not exactly what you're doing. After selecting private, make sure you save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top of the event page, and click it. The event is now updated, and its details will be hidden from others who have access to that calendar, depending on your overall sharing settings. That's all you need to do to set an event to private in Google Calendar.